Today I'm going to teach you how to use Filter by Zapier. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to control when your Zap should continue running based on specific conditions you set. Essentially, it acts like a gatekeeper, ensuring that only the right data flows through your automation. First, you'll want to go to the Zap editor. Here you can either open an existing Zap that you've already created or start fresh with a new one. Just make sure you've already set up a trigger before moving forward, as the filter needs something to work with. Once you're in your Zap, look for the plus icon. This is what you'll click to add a new action step to your workflow. Clicking this icon opens up a world of possibilities for what your Zap can do next, but today we're focusing specifically on adding a filter. In the search field that appears, select Filter. This is the core feature we're working with today. It's designed to evaluate whether certain conditions are met before allowing your Zap to proceed. Think of it as a checkpoint that decides if the automation should keep going or stop right there. After selecting Filter, click on Continue. This takes you to the setup screen, where you'll configure exactly how you want your filter to work. This is where you define the rules that will determine whether your Zap continues or halts. Now, in the first drop-down menu, select the field you want the filter to check. For example, you might select Variables, then System, and choose Current Time. This tells the filter which piece of data it should be evaluating. The field you choose here is critical because it's the basis for your entire filtering logic. Next, move to the second drop-down menu and select the rule you want to use. For instance, you could choose Exists. This rule determines how the filter will evaluate the field you just selected. Different rules allow for different types of comparisons, so pick the one that best fits your needs. If your chosen rule requires it, you'll need to type the value you want to compare against in the third field. Not all rules require this step, but if yours does, make sure to enter the correct value. This value is what the filter will use to decide if the condition is met. Once you've configured all your settings, click Continue to test the filter. Testing is an essential part of the process because it shows you in real time whether your filter is working as intended. Zapier will run a simulation to see if the conditions you set would allow the Zap to proceed or stop it. Finally, review the test result carefully. The system will show you whether the Zap would have continued or would not have continued based on the filter you created. This confirmation ensures your automation will behave exactly as you expect. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a filter in Zapier to control your automation flow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.